Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So we had this big push down, but like I was saying yesterday, to me it doesn't really seem like the uptrend is over because this looks like the end of a three-way pattern, and if that is the end of like a three-wave ABC, then I think it potentially needs to go up and make a new high on this time frame. So we have to be cautious. I mean, this possibly could just keep on trending up. It is definitely higher low so far. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely want to have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down because if for whatever reason this move up does turn out to be a correction to this move down, then at one of these Fibonacci levels, it would likely break structure to the downside. But if the higher time frames are right and this is actually still in the middle of an uptrend, it still could bounce from a fib level, but it will not break structure. It will make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So as always, pay attention to your fib levels, pay attention to your structure levels, especially around your Fibonacci levels. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.